Best Small Sports Sedans for 2024 Subaru WRX. In the realm of small sports sedans, the 2024 Subaru WRX stands as an icon of performance, blending rally-inspired capabilities with everyday practicality and reliability. As the latest iteration of Subaru's legendary rally-bred sedan, the WRX continues to uphold its reputation for delivering thrilling driving experiences while maintaining versatility and comfort. At the heart of the 2024 Subaru WRX lies a turbocharged 2.4-liter flat-4 engine, producing a potent 271 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a standard 6-speed manual transmission or an optional continuously variable transmission (CVT), the WRX offers impressive acceleration and responsive power delivery. With its potent powertrain and symmetrical all-wheel drive system, the WRX delivers confident traction and handling in various driving conditions. But the WRX isn't just about power, it's also engineered to deliver exceptional performance and agility. Subaru's engineers have fine-tuned the WRX's suspension, chassis, and steering to provide exceptional handling and responsiveness, allowing drivers to confidently tackle corners and curves with precision. Whether navigating city streets or tackling twisty mountain roads, the WRX offers a dynamic driving experience that is sure to excite enthusiasts. In terms of design, the 2024 Subaru WRX exudes an air of sportiness and aggression. Its bold exterior styling, characterized by aggressive body lines, a distinctive front grille, and LED headlights, makes a bold statement on the road. The WRX's sporty appearance is further accentuated by 18-inch alloy wheels, quad exhaust outlets, and a rear spoiler, which add to its dynamic stance. Inside the cabin, the WRX offers a driver-focused environment that is designed to enhance the driving experience. Sports seats with bolstered support, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and aluminum pedals create a race-inspired ambience, while advanced features like Subaru's Starlink infotainment system, digital cockpit, and smartphone integration provide connectivity and entertainment at your fingertips. Furthermore, the 2024 Subaru WRX comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features, including Subaru's EyeSight driver assistance system, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring both peace of mind and enhanced driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2024 Subaru WRX continues to set the standard for performance and versatility in the small sports sedan segment. With its potent powertrain, agile handling, and practical design, the WRX offers enthusiasts a thrilling driving experience without sacrificing everyday usability. Whether tearing up the rally stage or cruising through city streets, the WRX promises an exhilarating and unforgettable journey for drivers of all skill levels.